Merry morning and moon, my Capricorn sweeties. It's Moon Fairy here with your September 12th through the 14th All About You reading. 3-day reading. So, as you know, darlings, you, me, and my Thelema Tarot create a story. But this time we're not creating personalities. We're actually creating like energies and situations that could be coming into your life. But I do draw one card from the bottom. That'll be you. And then 3 cards for what is the vibes, the energy that'll be around you, coming towards you, or leaving you. Then 3 cards for what's emerging, transforming, and healing. 3 more cards for solution, outcome, and or future. And as always, this is a story. So if this doesn't make any sense to you, there's not a message here for you. So what message, energy, or vibes is coming my Capricorn sweeties way? September 12th through the 14th. All right. Mike. Okay. And thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. You are happy and optimistic. You are abundantly joyful. That ain't bad. Absolute joy. All right. So let's get the 3 cards that are going to be the energy, the vibe, the theme that's going to be around you. We got 4 of Pentacles, Hippie King of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Interesting. So 4 of Pentacles is Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. But this is like resistant to change. And this doesn't necessarily have to be you. It could be situations or people around you. So somebody's going to be kind of materialistic and maybe resistant to change. You might have some energy of lots of passion, fun, and adventure, music and art. And then Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Oh, wait. King of Wands, fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Ace of Pentacles is bright, new, successful beginnings. And that's Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Not bad. All right, let's see what's emerging, transforming, and healing to make you so happy. Okay. I guess we do it this way. All right, so what's emerging is 8 of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're setting off, you're embracing the unknown. You're leaving what no longer serves you to embrace the unknown. What is transforming is 6 of Cups. This is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But this is like a soulmate. Somebody from the past may come back into your life. This could be a soulmate connection. Or this is just a joyful playfulness. What is healing is this Hangman. Kind of feeling stuck or unable to make a decision. Yeah, what needs to heal is a change in perspective. Renouncing old ways. So you need to get rid of old ways. And embrace the unknown. And then, yeah, you might have some bump into your soulmate. do a different, getting rid of your old ways of doing things and embracing new ones, new unknown ones. That's where you always find the best soulmates. The places you least expect it. All right. Solution, outcome, and future. Six of Swords, very good. Four of Swords. I've had this thing every single time. Okay. This is what's doing. The solution is, these are thoughts. The solution is you need to take some downtime. You need to recuperate, respite from difficulty. Four of Swords, Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. The outcome is going to be sleepless nights and anxiety if you don't take this time to meditate, process, recuperate. You're going to have these sleepless nights. But the future is Six of Swords, moving away to smoother waters. So whatever is, you've got a decision to make. You're walking away, moving towards something that's more purposeful. You've got soulmate coming in, soulmate connection. And then you got a lot of swords here. Swords are, actually Six of Swords is good, but the rest of them are just thoughts that really, Four of Swords does mean, you're doing too much, you need to recuperate. But the sleepless night and the anxiety just needs to go away. It needs to stop. And in doing that, your future is going to be sailing away into the future. Sailing, how can I say? Sailing with the sun into the future, or sunny disposition. Positive, moving positively into the future. That's what it is. Sailing positively into the future. All right, my Capricorn sweeties. Thanks for hanging out with me. You have a blessed and beautiful September 12th through the 14th, and I'll talk to you soon. Blessings and love.